Good morning, class. Today we'll start chapter 4, Food Security in India. So इसके कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को हम अच्छे तरीके से कर लेते हैं. तो चैप्टर हम लोग कर चुके हैं, तो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को हमें अच्छे तरीके से कर लेना चाहिए. Number 1, what do you mean by food security? Food security means availability, accessibility and affordability of food to all peoples at all times. So this is the define of the food security. And now next question is, why is food security needed? So food security is needed to meet emergencies, shortage of food grains, prevent starvations and famines. Question number 3, which was the most devastating famine that occurred in India during the 20th century? Your answer is famine of Bengal in 1943. So next question is, who were the most affected by the famine of Bengal? So your answer is the agriculture labor, fishermen, transport workers and other casual laborers were most affected by the dramatic increase in the price of rice. So next question is, what were the most affected by the famine of Bengal? So your answer is agriculture labor, fishermen, transport workers and other casual laborers are most affected by the dramatic increase in the price of rices. That's why this type of community or this type of peoples are affected in Bengal, which are food insecure famine in the urban areas. The food may increase. Food insecure family in the urban area are those whose working members are generally employed in ill-paid occupation and casual labor market. Next is state the full form of NHFS. NHFS stands for National Health and Family Survey. What do you mean by hunger? It is another aspect of indicating food security. It is not just expression of poverty, it brings poverty. State the dimensions of hunger. Chronic hunger and seasonal hunger, they are the two type of the hungers, are the two dimension of the hungers. इसको आगे long question में हम जो है इसको explain करेंगे. What do you mean by the chronic hunger? Chronic hunger is a consequence of the diet presently inadequate in time of the quantity or quality. And what do you mean by the seasonal hunger? Seasonal hunger is related to cycle of food growing and harvesting. It is prevalent more in rural area. Name the new strategy adopted in agriculture in India after the independence to achieve self-sufficient in food grain. Your answer is green revolution. Define of green revolution. Green revolution impulses large increase in agriculture production due to use of high yield varieties of the seeds and other inputs such as manure and fertilizer. Which state achieved the highest rate of growth in food grain production in 2015 and 16? So your answer is Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. What was the total food grain production in India 2015-16? 252.22 million ton. State two component of the food security system, buffer stock and the PDS system. It means public distribution system. What do you mean by the buffer stock or define buffer stock? Buffer stock is the stock food grain, particularly wheat and rice, proceed by the government through the Food Corporation of India. What does the Food Corporation of India do? Food Corporation of India is government agency which is purchase food grain from the farmers where they are in surplus. What do you mean by the minimum support price? Your answer is minimum support price is the minimum price of food grain which is declared by the government every year before the sowing season to provide incentive to the farmers for raising the production of crops. Question number 19, define the issue price. Issue price is the price at which the government provide food grains to the proper state of the society through public distribution system. What do you mean by the public distribution system? The food proceed by the Food Corporation of India means FCI is distributed through government regulated ration shop among the proper section of the society. This system is known as public distribution system. Then what are the fair price shops? Fair price shops are the rationing shop which has been opened by the government to provide food grains to the poorer state of the society. Which items are commonly sold at fair price shop? Your answer is items such as food grains, sugar and kerosene oil for cooking are commonly sold at fair price shop. Which kind of ration card are the poorest of the poor? Antodaya cards. Name of the ration card used for the people living below the poverty line and for all others BPL cards and APL cards. Below poverty line and above poverty line. When was the rationing system introduced in India? 1940. Famine of Bengal. After the destroy the famine of Bengal. Which important food intensive program were introduced by the government after NSSO report? National Sample Survey Organization is called the NSSO. Public distribution system यानी कि PDS, Integrated Child Development Services यानी कि ICDS, Food for Work Program FFWP. Mention any two programs initiated by the government having the food component in the theme in them. उस पर टू प्रोग्राम्स क्या कौन से स्टार्ट किए गवर्नमेंट ने फूड कंपोनेंट के लिए? मिड डे मील एंड इंटीग्रेटेड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सर्विसेज ICDS, जो मैंने आपको पीछे ही बताया. What is the National Food Security Act 2013? The act provided for food and nutrition security. Life is affordable prices and enables people to live in life with dignity. Which is the most step taken by the government in India ensure the food security? PDS. Defines subsidy. Subsidy is a payment that a government make a procedure to the supplements to market price of a commodity. What is the status of per capita consumption of PDS rice and wheat in rural and urban India since 2004-5? Per capita consumption of PDS rice has doubled in rural and increased by 66% in urban India since 2004-5. The per capita consumption of PDS wheat has doubled since 2004-5 in both rural and urban in India. Next are the what are the cooperative societies. The cooperative societies are societies which are run by the local people. They provided public with the basic necessity of life such as food grains, milk and vegetables at reasonable rate. Name the revolution brought about by Amul, that's called the White Revolution. Where is the Academy of Development Science located? Maharashtra. Which program is acknowledged the successful and involvement food intervention? The Academy of Development Science Grain Bank program in the successful and innovative food security intervention programs. ओके बेटा, इसके बाद हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं. एक्सप्लेन द मेजर डायमेंशंस ऑफ द फूड सिक्योरिटी. द मेजर डायमेंशंस ऑफ द फूड सिक्योरिटी है, जो कि ऊपर भी मैंने आपको बताई थी. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फूड, एक्सेसिबिलिटी एंड अफोर्डेबिलिटी. Availability of food, it means the food production within the country. Food imports along with the previous year's stock store in the government granaries. Accessibility can it means food within the reach to the every person. Availability, it implies having enough money to buy sufficient safe and nutrition food to meet one's dietary needs. How is food security ensured in the country, or how is food security? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा how is food insecure in a country when enough food is available for all. All persons have capacity to buy food or absolutely quality. There is no barrier to access of food. How is food security affected during a calamity? During a calamity, total production of food grain decreased. It created the shortage of food in the affected area due to the storage of food to price accommodate go up at the higher price. Some people cannot afford buy the food. If such calamity happens in the very wide area of stretch over a long time, it may lead to a situation of starvation. Food security is an essential in India. Justify the statement. ये सारे क्वेश्चन जो हैं बेटा ये सब इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, इनको आप अच्छे तरीके से करेंगे. What is famine? We are the most affected by the famine of Bengal. ये भी आपको मैं पीछे बता चुका हूँ. The food insecurity peoples are disproportionately large in the some region of the country. Explain hot question. सीजनल हंगर क्रॉनिकल हंगर का डिफरेंस है जो उसकी डिफाइन पीछे थी और विद एग्जांपल इसके अंदर आ जाएगा आपका. ये व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ द फूड सिक्योरिटी इन इंडिया, ये पूरे इसके फंक्शंस आ जाएंगे. इट्स सेफगार्ड एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द फार्मर्स टू प्रोवाइडिंग देम remunerative prices of their food grain. It maintains the equity level of the food grain to ensure the stock are available in the food mishappen or calamity. It allows the government to intervene in the food of grain market for the price stabilization. उसके बाद how does the food distribution system ensure the food security in India? Explain the activity of rationing shop. ये सारे important questions हैं जो मैं आपको पढ़ के बता रहा हूँ. Explain the role of the cooperative society. Cooperative is providing food and related items in the different part of the country. इसके बाद ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आते हैं आपके. एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द पीपल हु आर फूड इनसिक्योर, लैंडलेस फार्मर, ट्रेडिशनल आर्टिस्टन्स, petty self-employed workers. The statement include the beggars, casual labor, urban area के अंदर workers employed in the seasonal area और low paid occupation. SC ST OBC के अंदर आ जाएंगे और ऐसे लोग आ जाएंगे जो कि बैकवर्ड क्लास हैं, पॉवर्टी लाइन के नीचे हैं, ट्राइबल एरियाज के अंदर रहते हैं, रिमोट एरियाज के अंदर रहते हैं. हाउ डज द सोशल इनएबिलिटी, ये तो सभी को आप लोगों को पता ही है. एक्सप्लेन द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन, increase the agriculture production, rural employment, industrial growth, proposal of farmers, prosperity of farmers, reduction in import of food grain. इसके अंदर आप बफर स्टॉक और पीडीएस सिस्टम को एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे और उसके बाद जो गवर्नमेंट ने स्कीम लॉन्च की है जैसे AAY अंत्योदय अन्न योजना और अन्नपूर्णा स्कीम. बफर स्टॉक का तो पीछे भी हमने किया है. एक्सप्लेन द बफर स्टॉक एंड एक्टिविटी रिलेटेड टू द क्रिएशन ऑफ द बफर स्टॉक. यहाँ पर बफर स्टॉक की डिफाइन लिखेंगे, उसके बाद उसकी एक्टिविटी लिखेंगे कि गवर्नमेंट जो होती है वो परचेज करती है फूड ग्रेन इन फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया के थ्रू फार्मर्स से, जो कि उनका सरप्लस आइटम होता है, और उसका प्री अनाउंस प्राइस कॉल कर दिया जाता है जिसे हम मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस कहते हैं फार्मर्स के लिए, टू परचेज द गुड ग्रेन फॉर स्टोर इन द जनरेट और मेंटेन द फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ CWDIW. राशनिंग शॉप यानी कि पीडीएस सिस्टम, इसके अंदर आप लिख देंगे गवर्नमेंट के अंडर में होता है. 1940 में आफ्टर बंगाल पैमाने इसको स्टार्ट किया गया था. इसके अंदर फूड ग्रेन प्रोसेन ऑयल और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है जो कि फेयर प्राइस शॉप पर होता है जिसे हम राशनिंग शॉप कहते हैं. और ऐसे लोग, उन लोगों को राशन कार्ड बने होते हैं जो लोग लो पॉवर्टी लाइन या पुअर होते हैं या फिर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के होते हैं, उनको कंट्रोल रेट के ऊपर इसके अंदर राशन प्रोवाइड कराया जाता है. तो बेटा इस तरीके से आपका ये चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं.